Hi, Greg here at Time Clock Wizard. When you think of all the time consumed just keeping track of employee hours and calculating payroll, the results are staggering. From entering all clock-in data to making calculations, the process could take days to complete. First thing that might come to your mind when talking about electronic clock-in software is those card swipe stations that communicate with the associated software on computers. But do you have any idea how expensive those types of systems are? We're talking about thousands of dollars between cost, implementation, and maintenance. Enjoy the benefits of being able to accurately record employee hours worked and other important information with free online time clock software from Time Clock Wizard. The system works by allowing employees to clock in and out online, which is all recorded in an online time log. Then when it comes time to calculate payroll, just a click of the button generates reports. Sign up today and start using employee time more wisely with this automated time clock system.